What is going on, and good morning, guys. Today's a little bit different of a video. We are going to be picking our sweet corn. So Dad and I are out here this morning and we're just gonna try and fill the bed of the Defender completely full of sweet corn. We've got 2 rows along the outside of our field. 24 rows in, we've got several hundred yards of sweet corn as well as it ran out of the planter. You can definitely see here the difference between sweet corn and field corn. Sweet corn's this tall, field corn is a lot bigger, bushier, and taller. You can tell if it's ready by peeling back the husks. And there's some nice looking sweet corn. The end's not totally filled out on this one, but it looks very good, so. All right, who was walking around in here just trashing it?
Coons do that.
Maybe the deer were like pulling it and snapping it. Alright guys, we got the bed of the Defender mostly full with the first load of sweet corn. There isn't much left out here because the deer or raccoons, I think raccoons, have destroyed most of it. So we're gonna go up, shuck this, and see where that puts us.
And now it's the fun part. We get to shuck it all and de-silk it. We try to get 95% of the silks off before they go in the house. Just makes it easier for the cutting off process.
We throw the shucks and silks into the 4-wheeler wagon, and then we'll put the clean ears over in this cooler.
So you grab it at the top, at least this is what I've found, and you peek into it. Oops, we got a few barren tips, so to help with the de-silking, I'll just snap the tip off and it pulls more of the silks down. I know some people have developed mechanized ways or whatever, but whenever I try to mechanize something,
I just got it all over my sunglasses.
with sweet corn, it seems like we make a mess of the corns.
Okay, so I take the cob that they just shucked and then I just pull some silks off of it. You can't ever get all of them off, but get the majority of them off, and then the rest kind of come off when they're cooking. So this ear is done. There's still, a few on it, but that's okay. Then I'll put it in the cooler, and then Mom, when the cooler's full, she'll take it inside, and then she'll start cooking it.
We saved the most important job for the most important person. So Mom gets to cook it and cut it off.
Therefore, it's her finger on the line, not mine. Mom's taking the first cooler of corn in, and then she's gonna rinse it off and then start boiling it and get it ready to cut.
There's a lot of different ways to do corn. So, you know, you can tell me what way you do it, but the way I like to do it is to cook it the whole cob, cool it down, and then cut it off. That's my method, and so I'm gonna stick it in the boiling water and get rolling with the process here. I've got the first load of cooked corn out. Time to get it into the sink of cold water and get it all cooled down. It's time for me to start cutting corn off. I've got it cooked and cooled, and I'm ready to start cutting it off. So, this is my third dish pan full of corn. Once I cut it off, I'm gonna scoop it up, put it in my containers. Still got a whole bunch to cook up yet. I'm gonna be at this a while, but anyhow, it's good. So while I'm trying to finish up the sweet corn here, I'm trying to entertain myself, and I entertain myself by watching the Hoof GP YouTube channel. If you've not gone over and watched the Hoof GP, a really cool hoof trimmer from Scotland. So sister and I love to watch Hoof GP, so you can see him right there. I'm watching him while I'm doing my corn cooking and cooling. If you've never seen Hoof GP, hop on over there and tell him that Farmer on the Prairie sent you. Finally got done with this corn. This is the last of it. I did 52 boxes of it. I'm gonna put it in the freezer. We do this once every summer, and this will be our store for the winter.
I got all the shucks, or I got a lot of the corn shucked. There's a little bit left in there. We're just gonna give it to some family tonight, but I gotta go dump that. And well, Dad ditched me and went to go start cutting the third cutting of hay. He's kind of done. stuff like that. But anyways, so we will have a video coming on third cutting hay very shortly. With that being said, guys, that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.
For some reason, putting a brush on reminds me of the guy that put the ear corn on a drill and spun it, and his teeth went flying out.
I think it was field corn.
I don't know, but anyhow, his teeth went flying.
Graphic.
It was seed corn. Wait, what?
He had stuck it on a battery drill.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Oh, the guy that ripped
And
his
he's
teeth
just like,
out?
his teeth go flying out. He's like,
Ah!
What an idiot!